Hello and welcome to the Fast Track to Excel 2007 Advanced Training Module. I'm Ken Walker and I would like to welcome you to this new and challenging endeavor. We're going to be looking at some real advanced Excel features. In my Fast Track to Excel beginner course, I had a lot of response from customers that were real excited about how easy it was to learn Excel with my training, but they were ready to move on to something beyond the basics. And I got a list from a lot of clients about what types of things they wanted information on and they wanted to be able to do. So in this course, we're going to be covering macros. We're going to be looking at more in-depth into formulas and functions, some of the advanced functions for manipulating both text and numbers. We're going to be looking at working with multiple sheets and how you can interact between those different sheets. We'll look at pivot tables, lookup functions. We're going to be looking at VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. We'll look at creating drop-down lists, using GoalSeek, and a whole lot more. So I invite you to sit back, relax. I'm going to be building off of the previous training. So if you're going to take this course, you should be pretty proficient with the basic operation of Excel and its basic concept. Just to give you an idea of the types of things that we're going to be dealing with, this is a spreadsheet that we're going to create, and it has, over here we've got some drop downs for you to select different items, and by all means what you're learning is the technique here. Okay, so you're able to implement this in whatever business you're going to be using Excel in. Okay, so we've got some drop-down stuff. We have got some advanced functions and formulas. And then yet some more advanced stuff that we're manipulating things just so you can see the process here. I have a unit cost. And then what I'm doing is I'm calculating a retail value by using the round function. And then I'm converting that so that it's formatted exactly how I want with the dollar and the decimal place and all that kind of stuff. But then I'm taking whatever the last three digits are, and I'm turning those into $9.99 for my fixed retail value. And then we're multiplying just some simple Excel stuff, doing some simple multiplication to get my total cost of inventory and the total value. And we'll be adding to this quite a bit. We are pulling the categories and the brands. We're pulling that information from a different sheet, and that allows us for a dynamic list creation. I can change the values here, and when I go over to my inventory list and click the drop down, I'll get that new updated information. So lots of neat stuff. We're going to have a lot of fun, and I'm going to make Excel interesting for you. And best of all, you're going to learn how to use it in a real world setting so you can apply that to whatever you're doing. Again, I'm Ken Walker, and I will see you in the next video.